Hello and welcome to another Carstar video. Today we're going to be dismantling a door mirror from a Peugeot 388T7 series. Here we have a mirror. We're going to take off the mirror glass, the outer mirror cover, and we're going to take off the indicator lens. First we'll take off the indicator lens. On the bottom of the mirror there is this little gap where you can go in with a flathead screwdriver, and this is where you access the indicator lens to remove it, and the bolt that holds the door mirror onto the door. Now first we will unplug the indicator lens, and then from the sides where the clips, we push those ones in, and then the indicator lens will come out. And this is the first part to our video. Next part, we'll first remove the door mirror glass. Push the mirror glass into the left, and at the bottom there's a gap where you can go in for a flathead screwdriver and gently pull onto the door mirror glass, and it will come out because it's only held on by clips. This is a heated mirror glass, so there is a plug with a cable, and you will need to detach that like so in the video. And we need to take off the mirror glass first, take off the door mirror cover because there's clips on the inside. Next we're going to take off the door mirror cover. First you'll need to twist the mirror in this position, and then you can have access to the mirror cover clips on this part of the cover. There's two over there, so you gently push down onto the clips and release the bottom of the door mirror cover. As you can see, that part is now free. And then behind the mirror glass, which we have already taken out, there are two clips, and this is basically the same idea. You'll need to unclip these, and this is why you need to remove the door mirror glass first before the door mirror cover. Unclip the two clips, and then the mirror cover will come out. It might take a bit of patience and some time, but eventually it'll come out. And this is pretty much how you detach the components of the door mirror. As you can see, the clips are there, not broken, so we've done a good job. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.